Let's go, T9. Good job. Oh, yeah. No. Well, I'll use it. This is about to stop, so I will try it one All right, Liv. Go get it, girl. Good speed, girl. Good speed. Oh. Find it. Big old black hole close to that. Good job. I'll do it. Can't think so much. Good job, Liv. Not bad. Got good speed, girl. Stay on it, Liv. Good job, Maury.
Turn it down for what? Turn it down for what?
Go get it, Glory. Go get it, Liv. tell her, Mari. You got it, Liv.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
You got it, Liv. No, you can't, girl. Not bad. You on it. Close. Stay with it. That's good speed, too. Stay with it. Got it, girl. Way to focus, Liv. Way to focus. Good job, Liv. We'll take that. Go get her, Bug. Right, girl. Good job, Liv. Good job. Good job, bud. Alright, let's go, Glory. Nice, Liv. Not bad, Liv, not bad. Got good speed, girl. Stay with it. Good job, bud. You got it, A3. You got it, Liv. Not bad. You alright? What? Right here. Somebody's phone's plugged in. I think this one. She can probably unplug it though. You can plug it. She's got plenty. Oh. There you go. Good job. All right. She's checking out. All right.
Eat that. Put it back in.
No. All right. Let's go, girls. Stay sharp. Nice pitch. Yeah, Liv. Oh, yeah. Woo! Nice.
Way to go, Bug.
Nice. Dang.
We missed the last round.
Yeah. Oh, okay. All right.
We go swing.
Hey, Mom's cool, but I'm gonna leave it out here.
You got a loud
Shut up.
Got a little bit of exaggeration.
Yeah.
Hey, I believe it.
It could be off, but that's what I have.
Close. What day is it?
Let's go. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me?
It's a lot of air. Charging the ball.
Why you won't make so good?
Right?
That or you walk around like a peacock.
Okay, that's a good idea. That's a good one. I like that.
Take it home, sleep with it, bring it back. Everybody knew why you had that football.
Yeah. Man, you did that nowadays, I think they put you in jail.
Oh, no, they would. No, they still do that. That's good.
Somebody complaining, go to jail.
All right, let's go, T2.
Oh!
Did it go over? Oh, man. Go ahead, T2.
That's all I've seen all weekend.
Come on, Ford, bring her in.
Hit that ball.
Let's go, Ford, have fun.
Let's go, 4.
Go for
If Lamar's playing at home, where the Raiders play, they will get you down home.
Ah. Well, I sure wish you would have worked on it like months ago because she needed it a long time ago. All right, let's go, 9. Stop.
Dan's way over there. I see him.
Usually when he ain't around, he's smoking.
Don't touch. No, change the tone. Oh, there.
You got 2 out, that's 3 outs, huh? Caught both of those.
Let's go, Kate.
That's a pretty blue one back there.
yeah. Oh, nice. Woo! I win. Got you thinking. Can't explain it to me. Oh, all over the place. Alright, let's go, 2, 3. Alright. No left there.
You know you want to laugh.
Oh! Sweet! Nice, 2, 3.
You was laughing.
Carry it away. Good job. She was looking so much, she got the ball. Careful now, 2, 3. Made her so busy. Good job.
Keep away, keep away.
What are you talking about? Alright, there you go. I like the one. I like it too. What? Was it on Yeah. What, Oprah? See if you can find a manufacturer and order as big as a elbow. Take a picture of it. Yeah. Good job.
HEB has the mandatory.
No, I mean like a.
But with a USA brisket on it.
Because you eat them pretty good. Well, you might get sick. Yeah, you might. It's probably too much. You gotta find out how hard it is to do it. Can't you use your? There you go, bud. Can't you use your air fryer? Yeah. Dehydrated. Look at this long list.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Shorty, what you want? Shorty, what you need? Running games, we ain't never leave. Never leave. Money, we ain't never leave. You got B12, I got 12 B.
Right.
Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need. Shorty, what you want? I got what you need.
Go, girls, go get a lift.
She called me top shot, and yeah, I keep a few things. Champion sound, yeah, I got a few rings, and I'm all the way up. And you can stay up. And if you ask anybody where I live, they point to the hill. Go all the way up.
Tired?
Go all the way up.
Doing good, though. Don't be good, but you don't want to say yes. You got it, Liv. Let's go, girl. You got it. Throw it in there. There you go. Got it, girl. Way to focus, Liv. There you go. Good job. Good job, Liv. Good job. Let's go. There you go. There you go, Aiden. Yeah, girls.